So there's a project I've been referencing quite a bit recently. And so earlier this year, I was brought into a project that it was not going well. Things were not moving along. We had missed deadlines. Things were really, really complex. And, a combination of scenarios kind of led to getting to that point. But when I was brought into the project, nothing was working. We had, it was almost like we went down the AWS console, like a drive-through menu, and just picked off items and added it to our software, and we just didn't need most of it. And so what I did was, I went back and really tried to understand from a business perspective, what is it that we're trying to do? And this was a perfect example of someone saying, I want the dashboard to be updated in real time. And for them, real time meant, well, I want to see the most up to date data within the last 24 hours. But the technologies that we had chosen was really to support globally distributed real time, like truly real time millisecond type of updates. And it wasn't something that we needed for the 10 users that we had on the system. And the team was just really overburdened. There was a lot of moving parts, and you could tell the team was demoralized. They were frustrated. And so what I did was I kind of came in and said, we don't have a lot of time to kind of turn this around. What is the simplest way that we can solve this particular problem? And what that resulted in was me pulling out about 80% of the technologies that we didn't need, aligning on a very narrow band of technologies, a single kind of framework, a single programming language. And then we were able to move forward with that. And that alone allowed us to not only scale how much data we could consume and process, but also our ability to scale the team and add additional developers when and where we needed to very easily. But really simplifying that was a huge win for that particular project.